Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a New Zealand tourist visa online. So this is helpful if you're not sure where to start, because I'll walk you through the exact flow from the website to submitting your application. So first, go to Google and search apply for tourist visa online New Zealand or NZ. Click visitor visa application apply online to get the immigration New Zealand page. Next, create your Realme login from that immigration page, not by going straight to the Realme website. So click create Realme login, follow the prompts, then log in with your username and password. So once you're logged in, click apply for a visa. And before you log in, make sure you have these ready: a visa photo, your passport scan, supporting documents, and a credit card for the fee. Now answer the setup questions. Choose temporary visa. Choose if you're outside New Zealand. Select visitor visa. Choose your purpose of visit, for example, family or friends. Then complete the main sections: identity and passport details. So make sure everything matches your passport. Upload your photo, whether it's JPEG, GPG, around 500 KB to 3 MB. Follow the size rules shown. And then contact details, these are email, address, phone with country code, and the purpose of visit and funds, whether it's self-funded or sponsored. Next is character and health questions, employment, relationships, and NZ contacts if applicable. And then supporting documents. So these are passport pages, itinerary letter, proof of funds, or sponsor evidence. And finally, go to review and declare. If you see action required, it means something is missing. So go back and complete it, then submit and pay. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.